A letter from a sailor. Unit 9. How to form a question. She is wearing a black dress. If I want to ask a question with what, I have to check few things before I start writing my question. The first thing that we have to do is underline and cross the answer of the question. For example, she is wearing a black dress. A black dress is the answer, so I cross it. The second thing is to search for the verb and circle it. She is wearing a black dress, so is my verb to be. Number 3, search for the subject. The subject means the one who do the action, and underline it. She is the one who is wearing a black dress. Then number 4, we will look at this verb. If the verb is a verb to be, which is am or is or are or was or were, I'm gonna circle this verb and I put in my mind, if I saw those verbs, I have to crisscross. What the meaning of crisscross is to put the verb before the subject. As you can see, I will put what instead of a black dress. Is she wearing? And then I'm gonna put my question mark. Excellent. What if there is no verb to be? What can I do? I'm gonna search again for the verb and I will put something from my mind. Do or does or did. We're gonna start with does. If the verb in the present and ends with s, I will put does and cross the s. For example, she wears a black dress every day. She is my subject. Wears is my verb, so I'm gonna circle wears, and every day I'm gonna leave it as it is. Here wears is am or is or was or were? No, so it's not a verb to be, so I will not crisscross. I will put something from my mind. I will look at the end of the verb. Does it end with s? Yes, so I'm gonna cross this s and put instead of it does. So what does she wear every day? Don't forget, we do not write the s with does. Does doesn't like s. Excellent. Now we're gonna go to did. If the verb in the past and ends with d or ed, like liked, or in the irregular form like so or went, I will put did and cross the past because did doesn't like the past. For example, she wore a black dress last week. She is the subject. Wore is the verb. Wore is the past tense of wear. So, wore here, is it a verb to be? Am, is, are, was, or were? No. So, I will not crisscross. I will put something from my mind. So, I will have a look at the end of my verb. Does it end with s? No. So, I will not add does. Is it in the past tense? Yes. So, I will add did. So, what did she wear last week? Remember, we don't put wore in the past tense. We put it wear. Finally, when shall we put do? Do is very easy. When we look at our verb and see nothing next to our verb, then I will put do. For example, they wear a black dress every day. They is the subject. Wear is the verb. So I will have a look at my verb. Is it a verb to be? Am, is, are, was, were? No. So I will have a look at the end of my verb. Does it end with s? No, so I will not add does. Does it end with ed? No, so I will not add did. So I will add do. So, what do they wear every day?